When you see a car on the street moving with such effortless purpose, it feels like a single, unified thing. But for a moment, consider its origin. How does this complex machine, with thousands of individual components, come into being? It's a dance between raw material and precise engineering. The journey begins not with a roar, but with a silent press. Massive stamping machines shape flat sheets of steel or aluminum. These become the car's skin: doors, fenders, the roof. From separate pieces, a skeletal structure starts to emerge. Hundreds of robotic arms, like meticulous surgeons, perform spot welds. They fuse the panels, creating the unyielding safety cage. Then, a transformation of color. Multiple layers of paint, not just for beauty but for resilience. Protecting against the harsh realities of the road. The painted shell, now gleaming, moves to the final assembly. This is where the car truly gains its identity. Engines, transmissions, wiring, seats, dashboards. Thousands of individual pieces orchestrated into a coherent whole. The marriage point is a defining moment, where the body unites with its powertrain, ready for motion. Finally, rigorous testing. Every system, every function scrutinized. Only then, a new vehicle departs its birthplace, carrying with it the silent echoes of its intricate creation.